Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make pork carrot salad. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. For the dressing, we need 3 tablespoons of extra olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, a teaspoon of black pepper and salt. Okay, that's for it. We need a cabbage. I slice like that, and also this one carrots, and then onions and spring onions, and then the pork tenderloin I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper. Okay, first girls, na to ang pork tenderloin for the salad. Okay, so as of now, we're gonna do like that one first. Okay, already cooked, so we're gonna rest this one for maybe 5 minutes before we slice it. Okay, so it one for maybe 5 minutes, guys. So while waiting for the resting, the dressing, we have 3 tablespoons olive oil, vinegar, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and then the black pepper, and then salt. I'll try to see. Okay, that's mix this one. Okay, the carrots, the cabbage, and then the spring onions and the white onions. Okay, so we're gonna slice the pork. Look at that one. It's already cooked. Our dressing, guys, the vinaigrette. Okay, and this one we're gonna add it here. Okay, look at that one. Guys, using this fork. Okay, guys, it's just enough. Okay. Okay. So this is our pork carrot salad. It's done. So it's tasting time. So that's our pork carrot salad is done. Mm. I'm gonna put it here. Mm. Mm. You can eat this one as your lunch or dinner. Mm. Mm. A vegetable. Mm. That's yummy, guys. Mm. So, you can eat this one as your meal. Either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Mm. 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 It's yummy, guys. Mm. 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 Okay, guys, so that's our pork carrot salad is done. It's super yummy. And then, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.